I'm going to show you some of the videos of successful people from different fields who are sharing the same thing, who are talking the same thing to become a successful entrepreneur or to run a successful business. I also share the same thing through my podcast, my posts, my stories, because it is the most important thing to become a successful person or to run a successful startup. Let's go through it.
Some people say that having the right goal is important. Some people say that having right job is important. Or maybe the right business plan is important. But पता है सबसे ज़रूरी क्या होता है? सबसे ज़रूरी है having the right people around you. Because the most important thing in the world is right people. अगर वो sort हो गया ना, बाकी सब अपने आप sort हो जाएगा. Anything and everything is possible if you have the right people around you. Start finding them, बाकी सब अपने आप figure out हो जाएगा.
The people that you spend time with are going to make or break your dreams. Everybody don't deserve to be around you. You got to defend your light with your life.
I'm unbelievably passionate about people finding more optimistic, practical friends. And I think optimism can slide into delusion, which is why I say optimistical, practical. I believe one of the great ways to mix things up is what you listen to and who you surround yourself with.
My second suggestion is about getting around the best individuals you can. You see, we're the sum total of the 5 people in which we surround ourselves with the most. We earn the same income. We go the same places. We do the same things. We think the same thoughts. And if you were to look at your 5 closest friends, you've got to ask yourself this one question. Who are my leaders and where are they taking me? In other words, are my leaders taking me to the place that I would most likely want to be? You see, if the answer is no, then you need new leaders. You need people who are inspiring, people that can help you, lift you up to the goals that transcend your own possibility and your thinking. You have to realize your goals, and you can only do that by getting around the right people. Now,
surrounding yourself with like-minded people, surrounding yourself with people who are pushing you up is very important when you are running a business, growing a startup, or trying to chase your dreams. So please, as soon as possible, surround yourself, change your atmosphere with people who are pushing you up, who are helping you to grow, who are supporting your business.